Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone supports required camera APIs. This matters because Portrait relies on depth data and manual controls. Once done, free up about 200 megabytes and enable side loading if the app isn't in Play Store. Download a reputable portrait-capable app or a G-Cam port that matches your device. Make sure to pick the correct APK variant for your CPU architecture. You're now ready to install and grant camera, storage, and microphone permissions to proceed. You now configure the app to produce iPhone-like portraits. Open it, grant permissions, and choose the rear camera. Next, enable portrait or depth mode and pick a focal length or blur intensity that gives natural bokeh. This controls subject separation. Adjust focus and lock AE/AF on the subject so exposure and focus don't shift. If available, turn on HDR or RAW for better dynamic range and later editing. Once settings match the scene, test a few shots and inspect edge detection. You're ready to shoot. Position the subject at a medium distance, typically 3 to 8 feet, and use slight teleframing for pleasing background compression. Tap to focus and take multiple frames. The app may capture depth maps or burst images for blending. After shooting, fine-tune background blur and edge masks in the app or in an editor to emulate iPhone polish. If edges or artifacts appear, toggle depth visualization, recalibrate the sensor, or try a different port/version. Often that fixes compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.